Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting your password on TikTok. Head over to the TikTok app, tap Me and then tap the three dots at the top right of the screen to open settings. Then tap on My Account. Tap the Login button at the bottom. Tap on Use Phone or Email and then tap on the Email tab. There is now an option called Forgot Password that you should tap. You can now reset your password by using either your phone number or email address. I'll start by doing it with my email. Enter your email and you will then be sent a 6-digit code that you will need to paste into the app. Once you have done that, you will be able to choose your new password. You can also reset your password by entering your phone number and receiving an SMS code. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tutorials.